Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Kristen. Today I'm going to show you how I did this trendy floral nail design on my client. First, I'm going to show you the colors that I used to do this set. For the hand painted part, I used colors by Madame Glam. First one being Early Bird, then On My Way, Perfect Yellow, and then Perfect White. For the yellow, I did tone it down with the Perfect White so that it wasn't so bright. For the acrylic, I used Peeky Nude M68 by Notpolish. Here I've already removed her old design and prepped her nail with Prime and Bond by Young Nails, and I'm going to go ahead and just do Peeky Nude on all of the nails. I'm not going to do a clear base because this is a nude, and pretty much any color I use after this would cover up the Peeky Nude. I'm also not going to encapsulate this color because I don't need to with the clear, and just go ahead and establish my apex now and my structure and everything just in the Peeky Nude. Both hands have the same design, so I'm just going to show you the one hand. So far I've left it zoomed out, so if anybody wanted to see how I pick up my beads, they could. I kind of go in and just tap at a 45-degree angle and pick up my bead. Ni tus besos y tus chistes al azar. I might go too fast. I don't care about those limits, 'cause I want this to last like nothing ever lasts before. I might go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich, though I don't know nothing. Oh, I
you feeling the same way I do? Are you feeling the same way I do? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking?
And go ahead and file and buff her nails off camera. I do have videos that I have left the filing and buffing in. If you're interested in seeing those, I will try to link one that has it down in the description box. So here is the yellow that I made with the perfect yellow and the white. And I went ahead and just made the center of the daisy first, and then had her flash cure it. I have my little Kiara Sky flash cure curing lamp right to the side of us. And then in between each step, just because I am notorious for sticking my finger in my design, I go ahead and have her flash cure. For the petals of the daisy, I found that it was easiest for me to place them with my dotting tool, and then I just took my art brush and pulled it down toward the center of the daisy. The art brush that I am using is the Notpolish art brush.
Pero yo te quisiera más que mil mujeres y no hay que doler pa' sanar y cerrar esta herida y se siente vivir cuando no estás, pero así es la vida, baby, tiene que doler pa' sanar y cerrar esta herida y se siente vivir cuando no estás, lo que viví no se olvida. Oh yeah, ¿qué tal si algún día nos vemos? Y me acuerdo de esos instantes, si dejáramos el pasado y esos besos, pero los dos nos amaríamos como antes. Es que no es la realidad, pero si fuera verdad, creo que me parará todo ese dolor, pero no me llevará a donde yo quiera estar, sin una imaginación a tu alrededor. El cielo está nublado y solo hoy, porque el sol me dijo, baby, ya me voy. Es duro que tú me trates como estoy, yo por nadie cambiaría lo que soy. El cielo está nublado y solo hoy, porque el sol me dijo, baby, ya me voy. Es duro que tú me trates como estoy, deja cicatrices, tiene que doler pa' sanar y cerrar esta herida y se siente vivir cuando no estás, pero así es la vida, baby, tiene que doler pa' sanar y cerrar esta herida y se siente vivir cuando no estás, lo que viví no se olvida. Todo nos separa pero nada nos une, no lo arreglamos aunque tengo autotune. El tiempo lo siento, está perdido, dale todo a lo no correspondido. Vea, que no te tenga a ti, ya muchos quieren de mí, pero yo las dejo en visto. Obvio que por eso te seguí, es que me hiciste sentir como si yo fuera Cristo. El cielo está nublado y solo hoy, porque el sol me dijo, baby, ya me voy. Es duro que tú me trates como estoy, yo por nadie cambiaría lo que soy.
For the lines, I just went ahead and did each one and then cured it so that they didn't blend together when I did each one. I am not lucky in that area, so I just went ahead and placed each stripe of the little rainbow effect that we did and had her cure it and then moved on to the next one. And I did decide to just do each color on every finger first and then move on to the next color. It just worked out better for me than bouncing all around.
You said that you needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense.
She really liked the nail with the daisy on the side and the color swooping around, so we went ahead and did that on the thumb also.
Don't wanna pick a fight with everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars.
Quiero ser el hombre de tu vida, tener niños y estar en un altar. Tu belleza eso no se me olvida, ni tus besos y tus chistes al azar.
So I did feel like I laid this layer of green a little too thick. So before I finished her up and top coated and everything, I went ahead and filed it off and reapplied, just so the nail did not it was looking a little bulky. So I wanted it to look a little more tapered and like the rest, all uniform. So I just went ahead and fixed that before I finished her up.
Todo vale contigo, hasta nuestros amigos se enamoran de la forma que nos ven. Enamorados somos dos. Mami, te lo digo, tú eres mi abrigo cuando va el sol. Con tu amor, esas nubes grises se vuelven color. Yo con tanto frío, tú me das calor. Listo para vivir contigo primavera.
For filming purposes, I did just go ahead and only work on this hand, but normally while she's in the curing light, I would be working on the other hand, but just so that I could get her filmed and not have to do so much editing cutting out the other hand, I went ahead and did the design on this hand only to begin with.
Es que sin ti no es lo mismo, amor. No escuchemos lo que digan los demás. Desde chiquitos sabíamos alguna vez se da este sueño de estar en pie al lado de la que amo, la que más adoro, la que me ha impregnado su amor en mi piel. Tu amor, esas nubes grises se vuelven color. Yo con tanto frío, tú me das calor. Listo para vivir contigo primavera. Por favor, toca mis quién eres la mejor. De esta hermosa saga soy el escritor. De vivir contigo estas primaveras. Quiero ser tu amor tuyo. Contigo yo me siento en control. Quiero ser tu amor tuyo. Besándonos a la puesta del sol. Quiero ser el hombre de tu vida, tener niños y estar en un altar. Tu belleza.
She did decide she wanted this set matte, so we went ahead and used Matte-it by Notpolish.
Tus chistes al azar.
I might go too fast. I don't care about those limits, 'cause I want this to last like nothing ever lasts before. I might go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich, but I don't know nothing. Oh, I can't let this slip, no. I gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed?
You do 2 coats of the Matte-it and cure them both for 60 seconds. After I'm done with that, I go ahead and use some cuticle oil. This one is by Profiles Backstage. Absolutely love it. It's a dry oil, so it just kind of melts right into her skin. I go ahead and leave how I massage it into her skin on film for you. I would like to mention that this cuticle oil also smells amazing. It doesn't only not leave her looking greasy, but it just smells amazing. Well, here is the final look. I hope you love it as much as we do. This pretty much concludes the video, so I will see you in the next one. And if you could, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.
I feel so